How to add bank accounts to Rocket Money app. In this video, you would learn how you can add bank accounts to your Rocket Money app. So if this is your question, just watch this video to the end. The first step is to launch the app. Now, after launching the app, you will be brought to the home page where you would see the subscriptions as well as this checking option and the credit card. I want you to know that the checking option that you can see is the same thing as for you to add your bank account. So just go ahead and click on the plus icon on that particular option. Now, once you click on the plus icon, you would see the option or the heading select your account. So you have to select a bank containing the account that you want to connect to Rocket Money. So these are the banks available and in which Rocket Money can be connected to. So just select the bank that you would like to work with. For example, I just selected PalmPay. Now, PayPal. Sorry, PayPal. Now, once you selected PayPal or any bank of your choice, the page would load and then you'll be directed on that page where you'll see the option Rocket Money uses Pledge to connect your account. Connect if effortlessly your data belongs to you. So click on continue. Once you click on continue, you'll be directed to a page where you have to provide your PayPal credentials. Alright, so such as your email and password. And then once you click on submit and it has been verified, automatically your PayPal bank account will be added to your Rocket Money application, including the subscriptions that you've linked to your PayPal bank account. It's that simple, all right? So ensure you try it out now. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.